Ebi abagambiro bwabire naiguraho mwareko gw'embazi eyekiraguju aha mukoro gubira aha mbuga nkuru za Ntambiko Craft Center omu Bushenyi.
We have honey, we have propolis, which is also a big product. This one here, by the time people were using Covidex, here we are covered with propolis. Everything was okay.
Naiba kweta on castor oil ningashi ibakoro mu sugar castor oil chini ambako mkugomerwa yambo mukozya omumara kolo nikilinza garika yamba bachara kazama kwa ibintu zo mu sheke
Omuhabuzi wa President Mary Karoro Krut ayorekero kwatwaho aha nshonga ya rukararwe yabireriye yo mugasho konka hati ekanagwaho.
I'm not happy. Icyo kintu kinshemize kanya namwe tuko mu mahuru tugomba tukora turebe ibintu twija twagandara abantu tukura tureba mbiyaba konka ebyo mbaze biboneza kuvugwana kandi harimbuwana himwana.
What we want these people now is to understand that it is true these herbs are useful. They are useful in the various ailments, the diseases. But we need to improve on these.
MP kushango muniyo kwibe sente la government. Nitocheruka kwa rejabandi. Nyonto la gweshika lebeshi kugacho muntu nechi. Natumwe nzakurga bwejo tarire tugacho muntu tinkukiza kuyivictinga abantu mu mataka gabo obo billioniya obo kitinkukiza kuyamba abantu mu mataka echo muri life yanje.
Hona Karoro ayorekero kwatwaho kundi ahawo buciko bwo kugabemera mu districts okwehindura ekindi.
Corruption bantu mu Uganda twafatwa hemuka. Erebe mweze yashobere abana umwana nagenda nawe ashabo mu rumo ekinda hani kigamba hatoshanga kurya bagera ngo lete miliyoni 10 dera bazire baguzutu no tutetwa miliyoni 10 bastayo no bakustayo mu mwana tubakumuhati
Gasha kwa Sheikh Abdulatif.